Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones REALME T310 using your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write REALME. Now search and you should install this application. Allow, ask up not to track, agree, got it. Now choose your region and then click next. While using app, got it. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!